Good afternoon, everybody. This is Cameron. Alright, guys, this duck that we're watching, its neck has been bent, they said, since it was born, and it's dipping into water. It's a female. She's really small. I guess she's taking a bath, but she may not have the same capacity as the other ducks because her neck is bent. But I've never seen a duck. When they dump upside down, usually they're a dabbling duck and they're going after some type of vegetation, which that could be the case. But isn't this interesting? Yeah, she's taking a bath. So again, the duck has a bent neck, and we don't know what the cause of it. Oh my gosh, look at this over here. Now we got other ducks that are getting in on the program, taking baths. Isn't that crazy? So they've got the 3-acre lake, and the water really came up during Hurricane Ian. And that's Freedom. You see the duck, Freedom? You watching the ducky? She's taking a bird bath. She's got to fix all her feathers. I know.